Hey Tech Fam, it's Wendy with InstaGadget. Welcome back to the channel. This week, the mobile world has been buzzing with new releases, leaks, and some pretty wild rumors. So grab your phone, not the one you're about to upgrade obviously, and let's dive into the hottest smartphone trends hitting the headlines. First up, budget beasts are on the rise. We saw the launch of the Poco X6 Neo 5G and the iQOO Neo 9 Pro this week, both packing serious specs at a fraction of the flagship price. These phones are perfect for gamers, content creators, or anyone who wants a powerful phone without breaking the bank. But wait, there's a catch. These budget beasts are often rebranded versions of phones released earlier in other markets. So, do your research and make sure you're not paying a premium for a slightly older model. Speaking of flagships, the rumor mill is churning about the upcoming iPhone 16 and Samsung Galaxy S25. Both are expected to boast improved camera systems, with some leaks suggesting the notch might finally be getting the boot in favor of an under-display camera. Imagine a phone screen with no bezels, pure, uninterrupted viewing bliss. Now, under-display cameras are still a developing technology. Early versions might make your selfies look a little soft focus, like an impressionist painting of your face. So let's see how these new iPhones and Galaxies handle this futuristic tech. And of course, the foldable phone craze continues. Samsung's rumored Galaxy Z Flip Lite might be a more affordable option for those curious about the foldable experience. But remember, foldables are still a bit on the delicate side. Dropping your phone is bad, but dropping a foldable phone? That's a recipe for disaster. Maybe phone case companies will start designing special armored cases for these foldable friends. Until then, maybe invest in some bubble wrap for your pocket. Beyond the flashy features, some trends are focusing on practicality. Super fast charging is becoming a standard, allowing you to juice up your phone in minutes. And phone batteries are getting bigger and better, so you can say goodbye to low battery anxiety. So that's a wrap on the hottest smartphone trends this week. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss our weekly updates. Let us know in the comments below. What new phones and features are you most excited about this year? Thanks for watching.